Good morning children, I am your computer teacher and today we are going to start chapter 3 input and output devices. So children, after completing this chapter you will come to know about input device, output device and storage device. So let's start. Here are some parts of a computer. It is given and we have to say, like first one is monitor. So monitor, it display the result after the processing the unit. Then second one is keyboard. Keyboard, it helps us to enter data in keyboard with the help of alphabet and number. Mouse, it helps to play games and draw pictures. Last one is CPU, Central Processing Unit. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of the computer and process the data. Coming to next page. We have learned about the main parts of the computer such as CPU, keyboard and mouse. We also learned about some other parts like scanner, printer and speaker. So in a computer children, we are having different parts. So in this chapter you will learn about some different parts of a computer. Like different parts of computer make it function properly. We can divide the parts of a computer into different categories as shown. So parts of a computer, three parts: input device, output device and storage device. Though parts of the computers are divided into three devices: input, output and storage. So first we will learn about input devices. Children, input devices are what? The device used to enter information, data and instruction in a computer are called input devices. So with the help of some devices we can enter information, data and instruction in a computer is called input. Some of the input devices are described here. So some of the input devices are: number one is keyboard. A keyboard contains many buttons called keys. We press the keys to enter data into a computer in the form of letters, words, numbers and special keys. So what is the help of this keyboard here? We do with the help of this keyboard we type numbers and alphabets, and we give with this keyboard we give instruction to the computer. Okay, now next one is mouse. A mouse is a pointing device. It allows us to enter data into the computer by pointing, clicking, dragging and dropping. So what is mouse? This is a picture of mouse and it is a pointing device and it is used to point. We can point something with we can click, we can drag and drop. Suppose we have written one sentence and we have to put it in another folder. With the help of this click and drop, we can click and we can drop it to the other part. It has 2 or 3 buttons. It helps us to play and draw pictures. Now next one is microphone. A microphone helps us to record sounds or our voices in a computer. It is used to talk to friends and relatives using the internet. So children, with the help of microphone helps us to record our sounds and our voices in a computer, and it also helps us to talk to our friends and relatives using internet. Some more parts of input devices are webcam, scanner and joystick. Hope children you have understood about input devices. Now let's come to output devices. The devices that display the result of the input after it has been processed are called output devices. So in input what we are doing children, with the help of some parts of the computer we are giving instruction to the computer, and the result which computer is giving us is known as output. So here are some output from where computer is giving result. Monitor. Monitor is one of the most familiar output device. It looks like a TV screen. It shows the work done by us on the screen. It also displays the result after processing the input. So this is a monitor. This monitor looks like a TV screen and it helps us to see the work which we do, which is done by us. Okay, it processes the result after giving input. Printer. A printer allows us to print our work on paper. Whatever work we are doing in this monitor, we can see here, and from here we can print it out with the help of this printer. A printer helps us to print our work on paper. We can take both black and white and colored printer. Hard copy is printed information on a paper. Now coming to next, headphones. Headphone help us to listen to music and other sounds without disturbing others. Children, you are very familiar with this headphone. You can use this headphone while you are listening music. You can use this headphone. Why we are using this headphone? So that no other person can get disturbed. So some of the output devices are monitor, printer and headphones. Now come to storage device. Storage device is to store a large amount of data and information for a long time is called storage device. So what do you mean by storage device, children? Whenever we store something, large amount of data we store, in which we store is known as storage device. Let us learn about something about storage device. So first storage device is hard disk. A hard disk looks like a rectangular box. So children, see, this is a picture of hard disk and it looks like a rectangular box. It is present inside the CPU. So children, this hard box is present inside the CPU. This is known as CPU, and this hard disk is present inside the CPU to store large amount of data and information. CD and DVD. CD and DVD are round in shape. Children, you can see this CD and DVD. This device are used to store large amount of data. We can store more data on DVD more than a CD. Now next come to pen drive. Children, this CD is first we were keeping movies. You can see movies also. In this CDs we can save. Okay. Now pen drive. A pen drive is also called a flash drive. It is small in size and can be carried anywhere. It can store more data than CD or DVD. This is a picture of pen drive, and this we can keep in our pocket or bag and we can carry everywhere where we want. Now come to computer equipment. Do not cover a computer while use it. It is a machine. It keeps the machine cool. Okay, we should not cover a computer while using it. Now tech terms. Data, information, device, a part that does a specific work. Input, data or information entered into a computer. Output, final result. Storage, the process of keeping data or information on a computer. So let's read quick recall, children. Number 1, a computer functions properly with the help of its part. Input device helps to enter data or information into a computer. Keyboard, mouse and microphone are some commonly used input devices. Output devices gives the final result. Monitor, printer, speakers and headphones are some commonly used output devices. Storage devices help us to store data and information for a long time. Hard disk, CD, DVD and pen drive are some commonly used storage device. Hope children you have understood about this chapter, input and output devices. Exercise we will be doing in next part. Thank you all.